Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect StepMint SE to Trust Wallet. First, make sure you have the Trust Wallet application downloaded and installed on your mobile device. It's also important to have your StepMint SE account information handy, including any necessary login credentials. Finally, confirm that your internet connection is strong and stable to avoid any interruptions during the process. Next, open your Trust Wallet application and securely log in using your passcode or biometric authentication. Once inside, find and tap on the D-App browser icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. This browser allows you to interact with decentralized applications. Look for the search bar or address field at the top of the D-App browser. Now, carefully type or paste the official StepMint SE website address into the D-App browser's search bar. Double-check the URL to ensure it's the correct one and not a fraudulent site. Once the StepMint SE website loads, look for a Connect Wallet button. Tap this button and select Trust Wallet from the options to establish the connection. Finally, Trust Wallet will prompt you to authorize the connection. Review the details and confirm the request to link your wallet. After successful authorization, you should see a confirmation on the StepMint SE website indicating your wallet is connected. You can now seamlessly manage your StepMint SE assets and interact with the platform directly through your Trust Wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.